Hello and welcome to the playlist course Python Data Storage Abstractions for Data Handling. This playlist course will teach you some concepts and you will learn to use Python Data Storage Abstractions, which are Python container objects that are able to hold objects in a similar fashion as collections or containers. Or as a real-life example, you could say bags for items. These Python data storage abstractions, or you could say Python data structures, or you could also say Python sequences, are used to store Python objects or data items. And in this playlist course, we will focus on using these data storage objects with the perspective of data handling. Python data storage abstractions are used within coding, data science, data analysis, and machine learning all the time. Because in Python, every number is an object or item, and the data storage abstractions provides a way to manage, organize, and control your data objects, items, and data values. Therefore, it is very important to understand Python's data storage abstractions for data handling purposes. My name is Henrik Johansson, and I will be your narrator for this playlist. I have 20 years of instructing experience and I have taught students from most backgrounds, from high school students to doctors. In this playlist course, I will teach you some concepts and you will learn how to use some Python data storage abstraction data types. So, right, what are Python data storage abstractions? Python uses native data collection data types to store objects such as integers, floats, strings, or other custom-defined objects. These defined objects can be files, images, or any Python native user-defined or program-defined objects. And when we say that data storage abstractions are native to Python, we mean that the data storage abstractions belong to or is a part of the Python programming language and coded into Python itself. So, the Python native data collection data types you will learn in this playlist are the Python set, the Python tuple, the Python dictionary, and the Python list. In addition to these native data storage types or abstractions, many Python programs and libraries use non-native data storage abstractions. For example, in many video courses about data handling, the Pandas library is often used, and Pandas use Pandas data frames, which are objects similar to Excel spreadsheets on steroids, to store and handle data supported by Python programming and most commonly Python dictionaries and Python lists. So, in this playlist course, we will talk about the Python native set, which is used in some algorithms and sometimes for set math. We will talk about the Python tuple, which is a very common return from Python functions and libraries. In some aspects, a default return type for multi-object returns in the Python programming language. Tuples are fixed and therefore fast, properties sometimes used as speed enhancement in Python programs. We will talk about Python dictionaries, which are a dictionary data type with ensured uniqueness of dictionary keys, making this abstraction very useful for some key lookup tasks. And we will talk about the Python list, which is a highly versatile, general, and changeable object, and as such, very useful and almost necessary for effective data handling. This video is the introduction video to this playlist course, and we want to say that this playlist course is designed for everyone who wants to learn to use data storage types such as Python sets, Python tuples, Python dictionaries, and Python lists. We aim at going a bit deeper than most other video courses, and this playlist course is therefore suitable for both beginner Python users and people who want to learn tools that will enhance their coding, data science, data analysis, data handling, or machine learning capabilities. We look forward to have you continue to watch this playlist course.